Ahmed.
Yeah.
So that is Ahmed's car. That's crazy. New car review.
Patrick.
And that's Lloyd. The F90 M5. And as usual, we have Nana Kena.
Hello.
Be my boys. Hey, yo, this is so freaking nice. This is so freaking nice. My guy. Hey! Wait, where much shout out to? Oh man. Bruh. The yellow LEDs, the yellow bar in there. The front lip looks like it's been lowered. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. What? Comment down below if you like this. I like this. If you don't like this, you're a hater.
This guy did it.
So this is a C8 Corvette. Oh, I don't think I did an intro. So today we find ourselves in a different location. The Marina Mall is getting a bit too rowdy. So we come to a different location. If you know here, you know here. This is an F90 M5. I think it's been tuned and it has this very nice, I think it's British Racing Green shade. It has a ducktail extended spoiler, diffuser, exhaust. It's been lowered, I think. Black wheels. And it sounds good as well. I just put another video in of when it was moving. So yeah, tough. So you want a trick to know when a car is fast? They have semi-slicks on there. So these aren't regular tires. These are semi-slicks. They are for better traction when you're driving. The hotter they get, the more sticky they get, and then you get better traction. But they are not necessarily for cars that are not fast. With these, you would want a car that if you drive a fast car and you want better traction at the track, these are the tires to go for or go with. So yeah, these are Toyo R888Rs, and they're expensive. So yeah, it's getting dark, but there's one particular bike I've always liked, and it's there. I'm gonna try and get him to rev it for us because it has a supercharger. And listen, Charlie. I want to hear the supercharger. Yeah, man. I'm like a little kid seeing this bike because it's something I really like. I'm really fanboying over this bike. And we have our famous Abubuya. I really like the sound of the intakes. Hey, Drona, how are you doing? You look at this boy, look at this boy, look at this boy. I'll show you middle finger, do it. I'm being tempted to go and get an R. There's one kind of for sale, and I'm tempted. But I don't think I want an R, but I'm tempted. It's still cold, so he has to warm it up a bit. Stay tuned for the flames. Car meet on a Sunday night. Yeah.
go my way. You can't be supposed Tomorrow morning, I'll be there. Cut.